Hello guys, I'm Harun Quest to tell you in this tutorials today. Great mornings. Yes, this idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that he is unable to rescue his email password because he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone. So what's the best alternative way without having the recovery email and the recovery phones? Spontaneously you don't have the password. Spontaneously don't have especially anything else. Take a one new smartphones and how do you rescue? I will show you. It is having especially particular these emails and that couldn't sign in you. Why? What's the basic root behind that reason? Because I did not provide enough information for the Google to be show, but by providing enough informations, of course this idea can be recovered. Yes, to recover your account's track and answer his questions. To recover this account, if your account is managed with the family links, then we have the send emails to your parents to the chance of password. Both options be quit here, and of course I will show you sure 100% you will be able to quickly rescue of it. How it is possible? This is impossible things. No. That's why actually this viewer has recommended to me to rescue this array, because I have recovered a lot of the array. Yes, and they give in a feedbacks, and of course by network, of course, and they have it. Especially he has a pros to me to the rescue of this. Now how it is possible? We will see live here. Let's see in front of you. Now see time is especially 7, yes, 8 minutes. Now within a 10 minute I assure you of each second I will be out it, and of course we will rescue affairs. So if we try again, so then what's the things there? Here is asking last password. Fine, we don't have a password. Now here is asking phone number. We don't have a phone numbers. Now see here what's going to happen. Here is the things we don't have. Click on here. We don't have. It's here. I did not provide enough information. This thing is coming, guys. Here to recover this account, similar two options. Can I have the multiple options to the rescue of this? Yes, this can be. Google will give you a special. Google itself recover this account, so don't worry how it is possible. Yes, we will see. I don't know, just simply we will have to come in especially. Here is a browser, files, and we can go with especially I'm the Santa browser also, but we have taken especially I'm in this up browser that has been developed by especially I'm the Jelly team. So let's install it. Why this browser I have recovered especially approximately 50 email, guys. That's what I'm saying. Here is a timer, just you can watch that it is true or fakes also you can. Now here is especially this option cam here open. So if we open here, don't open here firstly, we will have to two chances. That is very crucial. Without having that you cannot. So hold especially take the how many browsers are functioning in your smartphones. Take any smartphones, guys, and apply this similar strategy. Yes, this is a crucial step that notification you will have enabled, so make it disable, guys. When we will come in here back, so we will come the permission. In permission, see what we are going to see here. Access this allow all the time, that we will have to make it off. Wi-Fi house location off, and click here don't allow. So essentially that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of device no longer. No problem at all, so because I'm going to recover this Gmail. So we will have to do, otherwise we don't have options further. We'll cut it from here. As we know that Chrome browser is also the parts of our product of Google. So of course we will have to come the notifications, make it off. Then what do we have to do, guys? Precise location, of course, navigate the location, come in a permission, navigate the location. Yes, make the precise location off. Then we will click here don't allow anyway. These things I have completed files from my side. Now we will have to open this browser. When we open this browser, then we will have to give a little bit configuration by the going in a Apple help options. Yes, we will have to explain here that Google help right here simply. And see what's going to happen here. Just we will tap on here to next, and we can here just click on this, and Google Help option. When we tap on a Google Help options, what's going to happen here? Just we will go for here. It's a related Gmail, guys. So just we will tap on this, and now see here what's going to happen. Just simply we have to recover these Gmail accounts. Now what we will do here? Just we will have options. That's yes, the steps to the rescue of this Gmail, and when we tap on it, then what's going to happen, guys? Now what you will do here, simply we will have to tap this Gmail ID. Let's see. Yes, we will click on it's related uh, Maria, of course. This ones we will go for next. And is it asking a password or not? So we can check it out. Try another way. We will have to do, because we don't have a password. What we can have, guys. Now what will happen here? We don't have a space line the last password. So just can I approach to her? Try another way. Now see here, guys. Here what's going to happen? Here is a phone number is also as a recovery given, guys. What do you say? Now we don't have a specially phone number, so what's going to happen? So now here is a answer as many questions, user device where we have the sign in before. Third is that alternative email is added, then of course we can. But fourth is option is given here, more tips to recover these accounts. Via that, by using this feature, of course we can. So can I tap the quickly? No. Yes, wait a 20 seconds almost. Don't click on a try again, so otherwise of course your account may be frozen. That's how they're trying to rescue this ID via especially different browsers. Just cut it from we will take a Google Assistant. We have especially list on a 13 minutes. We have taken 2-3 minutes. Fine. We'll tap on especially setting to now see here how easily Google will recover itself. This magic will happen, guys. Yes, Google services and preferences 14 minutes we have raised. Now yes, we will click on a help options, and see in front of you live I am the telling you, guys. So do it blindly if you are having the much more problem or anxiety that, oh, what's happened my ID if we are unable to others. Don't worry, guys, just learn, and of course, but this is only for education purpose. Don't misuse these things. Just we will write stolen and lost device. Now that we come on here, just we will go for fix bit 2, and here is recover your account. Tap on it. Here is these tabs to the complete or rescue these emails. Now here is account recovery page, but before going there, make sure that especially yes, here should be only once 2 options, except that creating a replacement and getting a byte locked out of the. Now only once we have 2 options, so just on this arrow tap, and when we taps, then what's going to happen? Automatically links here that is demanding accounts recovery, guys. What do you say here? What should I do? Yes, we will have to write this particular email, and what will happen, guys? Yes, simply we will have to tap on an X, and what's going to happen? Let's see, guys, blindly here. What's happening here? Just to see. Oh God! Now what do you say here? This magic will happen, so of course do a similar strategy. Now see, we are on here. Either we can go for continue, we can update password, but a little bit it's my request that don't click on a continue, guys, otherwise maybe you would be trapped to verify that it's you, and verify means you will have to get a OTP on the recovery email, and then so you would like to bypass. Yes, then click on update password. Update password means you will have a strong opportunity to create the strong password. Confirms the new password, guys. Here when we confirms the new password, go for save it, and then we will go in a Gmail account management, Google account management. In there you will have one feature, that is a security. In there, add an alternative email first, then remove a recovery phone number, and after removing, add a new recovery, that is your number. And what you say then? So this account will be a permanent yours. Nobody will be able to, yes, hack, hijack. So this is all about. So on the live screen that we cannot the create, guys. We will have to especially delve to this my viewer. So any kind of the Gmail related recovery, of course, blindly you can the email, blindly you can raise the comment below the comment box. If you don't have any problems to disclose your Gmail on a public domain on these channels, and then by free of course I will do the rest of it. This is all about. Yes, how to like this tutorial? Leave the feedback below the comment box. Your feedback is very essential, and don't misuse just your use personal accounts. That's all. And of course, this is all about. Thank you. Thank you for visiting Technology Welfare on a live screen that we cannot create. So because this is of course the privacy concern of this, especially viewer guys who has trusted and delivers in this to the rest of us. So by fifth course, of course, we will deliver to them. Don't worry. So this is all about. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.